How can I convert each item in the list to string, for the purpose of joining them? I need to join a list of items. Many of the items in the list are integer values returned from a function, int. How should I convert the returned result to a string in order to join it with the list? Do I need to do the following for every integer value? Is there a more Pythonic way to solve casting problems?
Calling str ... is the Pythonic way to convert something to a string. You might want to consider why you want a list of strings. You could instead keep it as a list of integers and only convert the integers to strings when you need to display them. For example, if you have a list of integers, then you can convert them one by one in a for loop and join them with.
There's nothing wrong with passing integers to str. One reason you might not do this is that mylist is really supposed to be a list of integers. For example, it would be reasonable to sum the values in the list. In that case, do not pass your ints to str before appending them to mylist. If you end up not converting to strings before appending, you can construct one big string by doing something like
The map function in Python can be used. It takes two arguments. The first argument is the function which has to be used for each element of the list. The second argument is the iterable. After converting the list into a string, you can use the simple join function to combine the list into a single string.
There are three ways of doing this. Let's say you have a list of integers. Join strn for n in my underscore list, join strn for n in my underscore list, join map str, my underscore list. However, as stated in the example of TimeEat on Python website at this URL, using a map is faster. So I would recommend you using .join map str, my underscore list.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.